If you are wondering how many eSIMs can we have on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, then let me quickly elaborate. So just in theory, we can download up to 20 eSIM profiles, but that is just a theory alone. We can actually find this information on one of the articles on official Samsung website. However, over there, we can also read that every smartphone has eSIM chip memory capacity, like a dedicated capacity for all these eSIM profiles that you can add on your phone. What that means is that one eSIM profile may take more capacity than other eSIM profiles, and this depends on the operator itself. So if you use all the capacity, you will not be able to add more eSIM profiles. In reality, this means that you can usually add to 5, maybe up to 8 eSIM profiles before you run out of this capacity. So if you are thinking about just adding your profiles over here, your all eSIM profiles into your phone, then you should be able to get like 5 up to 8 profiles in reality. And if you are wondering how many of them can be used at once, then of course the answer is 2. You can use up to 2 eSIMs at the same time, considering that you deactivate physical SIM cards, because of course you can use either 2 eSIMs and no SIM cards, or you can use 1 SIM card and 1 eSIM, or of course you can use 2 physical SIM cards and no eSIM at all. Of course, the dual SIM for physical SIM cards is available pretty much in every country except for United States and China. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.